She was just revealing in the college with the principal. At the age of 6, there was a fancy dress competition. When she was 6 years old, and her parents dressed her as Sathya Sai Baba. She used her own hair for the tuft of the hair that was Swami had, and what got the first prize in the now I realize that she was everywhere because the first was your brother. You got success. That's what we do. Come on, start me.
Statement number. If you want any doubts, if you have any doubts, just ask. Right? You can watch all my videos. There are a lot of things about dance therapy. Just watch all the videos. Pure classical dance, how it is, and pure Bharatanatyam, how it is, pure Kuchipudi and dance dramas, and my different channels in videos, and about yogic dance and techniques of dance therapy, how we have to do, how to get the results. Okay, all these videos are there in Surabhi Sarada YouTube channel. And my number is 944-161-8937. 944-161-8937.
This is where you should not lag behind off. Don't clap. If you are clapping, you are appreciating and depreciating yourself. You know, the C is capital or I am not capital. You are all capital. You can also do. So on behalf of myself and our team, I thank for this afternoon. About 2 o'clock I told she has got a call. And she only I got her to see your college, but incidentally when I was reading to the file, I saw dance therapy. Then they are all students, better to speak on it. And what I see, yes, I wrote that he speaks Telugu. And then I wrote languages. I think so good.
Firstly, I would like to offer my remarks on the episode of our Master, Sri Sankara. Thank you so much, sir, for bringing two legends of India for us to know the talent and culture that is there in our land. Thank you so much for coming. I would like to thank our principal for agreeing to bring them to the college, because it was, as sir told, it was a last minute plan, and to take up a last minute plan is risky sometimes. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so I know that dance consists of aerobics, yoga and some mudras, but I didn't know that it has a great significance towards spirituality and culture. And I don't know how to dance, but as you told us to start dancing at least for 5 minutes, maybe from today onwards we are going to do it. We'll at least try to learn some mudras.
All are in hostels. Just start today or tomorrow onwards for 5 minutes of dance.
The song was really nice, ma'am. Thank you so much. And we would like to thank the And as soon as I heard the name of Krishnaveni ma'am, I could remind a great scholar with that surname, Devpalli Krishna Shastri. He's a big legend, a writer. The song was really great, but thank you so much for coming. We had learned so many things that dance can do with our body, and we are going to start that. Music is also with us, ma'am. We sing bhajans, so both of you coming gave us more courage and more interest towards dance and music. Thank you.
कैसा लगा? थोड़ा उसे अच्छा लगा। जरूर करेंगे। कैसा लगा? ऐसे slowly। कैसा लगा? कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा।
कैसा लगा? Two things I wanted to tell. One is, I requested madam to perform Girija Puja. Girija is Parvati. Parvati is married with Lord Shiva. She created Lord Shiva. Uma Madam is attending classes of Divine Life, where every day she will attend and they teach how to meditate. Day before yesterday on Sunday, our program was there. And in the first trip, Lord Shiva comes to the stage. She said, she sat in Jimudra in front of 200 audience, so many people, so many eyes. Ma Madam was observing her, whether she would know her any together, almost, or something. The Parvati was trying to measure and disturb the meditation of Lord Shiva, because he wanted to look at her. But she knows the character, and then she has told that how her aim is not to get disturbed by Parvati. Her role was like that. But Parvati was making all the hiccups to draw the attention of Shiva. And Shiva has to keep quiet for 10 minutes, she said. Uma Madam was asking, Madam,
for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. This time I am very glad to see you all, because your applause only made me so much of pride myself. Thank you so much. Regarding dance therapy, think it twice, thrice. It's just a brief introduction about dance therapy. I didn't know very depth of the dance therapy. No technical terminology, and I'm not used anything. Regular lifestyle, how you strengthen yourself, how you will be more concentrated, more focused on your regular tasks. What else? And then gather all together in this topic. More relationship with the other communication skills. They won't hide themselves. They will lose self-confidence, self-esteem. Correct? Think about yourself. Know yourself. Acquire knowledge. Continue our Indian tradition and culture. Be like an Indian. Don't copy with Western influence by Western things. Those are not at all right path. Okay? This is my personal suggestion. After observing and imbibing so many things in my life, now I started teaching about all these things. And dance therapy is 100% of my life. Still I am working, still I am doing so many multitasking issues in my life. Just because of I am doing dance. Nothing else. Everything I got it from dance. It's sharing my knowledge and my experiences to you all. I hope that you will enrich yourself, you will enlighten by my speech at least 1%. Hope for the best. Why not? Sure. Sir.
Many people will think that for dance you are not fit. You know, and then only girls can do. Some of the girls who are the dancers, only 2 people have risen.
Yes.
But you tell that dance can be practiced by each individual as yoga can.
Yes, exactly. What you said is.
You are not going to perform publicly like Surabhi. That also you can do. But in all secret, I listen slowly. Men have excelled in dancing than women.
Exactly, 100% right. I
In cooking also, men excelled. Nalakima Pakam, they will say Surabhi Lakshmi Pakam.
So usually in Kuchipudi, dance masters will only do the dance. Do you know that fact? Only gents will do the dance in Kuchipudi classical dance style, not ladies. Why? Because they have so many ailments, pregnancy, periods. Okay, and also they used to go throughout the year. They go here and there and they perform, and sometimes they don't have washrooms, they don't have the right places to change their costumes and all. So that's why no female is participating that time. But now everyone is doing. So there are so many facilities we have now. We are Madi Shaktis. We know how to tackle the situations. We know how to face it. We know how to hold the family. We are multi-talented. Am I right or wrong? We are multi-talented. So I hope that each and every individual will win in their life. Some points we may lose, but always try to win in your life. Stand on your legs means economically you must grow. Okay. Any questions from your side? Second one? And third one? Culture. Did you tell about culture? Yes, the point is culture. Okay. And fourth point is also there. Tell me, any guesses? No? Fourth point. Concentration is part and parcel of this thing. These things. Active participation and passive participation. When you do yoga or aerobics, you alone will be happy. And you will feel calm, you will feel the benefits of dancing. Got it, ma'am? You are listening, you are watching a drama or something movie or something else, entertainment things. Then what will happen? And you will also feel happy by watching the dance dramas or solo performances, whatever it is. Am I right or wrong? That is the core. Yes. Provided this class, right? And other parts are not there in that particular one. Second one. And third one. Culture. Did you tell about culture? Yes, the point is culture. Okay. And fourth point is also there. Tell me, any guesses? No? Fourth point. Concentration is part and parcel of this thing. These things. Active participation and passive participation. When you do yoga or aerobics, you alone will be happy. And you will feel calm, you will feel zero stress, and your mobility and other things will be improved when you do aerobics. When you see also, watch also, you will get the benefits of dancing. Got it, ma'am? You are listening, you are watching a drama or something movie or something else, entertainment things. Then what will happen? And you will also feel happy by watching the dance dramas or solo performances, whatever it is. Am I right or wrong? That is the core. Yes. Provided this class, right? And other parts are not there in that particular one. Dance, we can learn Bollywood dance. Why other dances are not that much important? There is no spirituality in the dances. Okay, got it? That spirituality is only carried forward in classical dance. Radha Krishna, Radha Come here, Krishna. I'm waiting for you. I'm Yashoda. You are my Kamala. When you feel like that, when a person is not there, but you are feeling like that, you will definitely get that endorphins in your body when you feel it completely. That is very, very important. No one is there, but I always see. So cute. One should imagine that person, Lord Krishna, that expression will solace your body and mind. One should experience that only they will tell. Otherwise, no. God is there, here, Sai is there, Sai is everywhere. When you feel it only, you will feel that Sai is everywhere. When he is not physically present, but he is with us. When you feel it, your endorphins will secrete like that and finally you will secrete zero. Body, mind and soul concept, very, very important. That is a best technique of reducing your stress, BP, sugar, and all other elements, and pains also. If stress is increased, your body will become less energy with lot of pains. Okay? And then what are all the benefits? Your body, mind and soul will concentrate on one thing. That is the meditation. I experienced number of times. Today we are talking about what? Dance therapy. Did you heard ever? Firstly and mostly, I would like to thank to all the members who are sitting here, mainly my Guru, my father, Umamaheshwara. Next, Madam, teacher, scholar, Devarapalli Krishnaveni garu, and most important person for this institution, head of the institution, Mr. Manjula ma'am. Okay? Listen carefully. Any one of you know about dance therapy? Did you ever heard this word? What is therapy? You know it very well. We do therapy for some ailments, whatever it is. Am I right? Without giving any medication, what kind of therapy you know? Physiotherapy, very nice. Music therapy, just now you heard music therapy. So people are very much interestingly listening the music along with the rhythm, that shruti, that raga, that bhava. It leads your mind towards one point, that is the concentration. The body, mind and soul together, that one point, you will get immense happiness. Got it? Did you understand? Did you ever, you felt it in your life by listening any music or a dance or a movie or drama? Whatever it is, any visual piece. Yes? Okay. Come back to again dance therapy. You know dance. Anyone of you here classical dancer? Yeah. Bharatanatyam dancer, both of you? Yes. Come both of you. Get. Today we are talking about what? Dance therapy. Did you heard ever? Firstly and mostly, I would like to thank to all the members who are sitting here, mainly my Guru, my father, Umamaheshwara. Next, Madam, teacher, scholar, Devarapalli Krishnaveni garu, and most important person for this institution, head of the institution, Mr. Manjula ma'am. Okay? Listen carefully. Any one of you know about dance therapy? Did you ever heard this word? What is therapy? You know it very well. We do therapy for some ailments, whatever it is. Am I right? Without giving any medication, what kind of therapy you know? Physiotherapy, very nice. Music therapy, just now you heard music therapy. So people are very much interestingly listening the music along with the rhythm, that shruti, that raga, that bhava. It leads your mind towards one point, that is the concentration. The body, mind and soul together, that one point, you will get immense happiness. Got it? Did you understand? Did you ever, you felt it in your life by listening any music or a dance or a movie or drama? Whatever it is, any visual piece. Yes? Okay. Come back to again dance therapy. You know dance. Anyone of you here classical dancer? Yeah. Bharatanatyam dancer, both of you. Yes. Come both of you. Get and walking. What for these exercises are required for our daily life? Tell me, any one of you. What for these are required? We are cooking ourselves and we are studying, we are going office, we are doing our work and we are earning money and we are buying so many things. What are all the comforts we want in our life we are buying, purchasing. Am I right? Why we are doing all these things? Why we want to do walking? Why we have to do yoga? Healthy life, better life, happy life. Am I right? So, this yoga technique everybody knows. But what is yoga? We are doing some asanas, we are doing some mudras, okay, pranayama and meditation. These are all the parts in yoga we usually do. What for you are doing? She told already. For better life or happy life. Okay, that is one part. Why we are doing aerobics? Okay, very good, very good. Aerobics and everything, a kind of exercise in our body, for our body. We are doing those things to reduce our stress, to improve our body postures, and strengthen our legs and body parts, and good blood circulation. This is also very important for peace of mind. Okay, right? So, and walking, that is also one kind of exercise. That also will give a kind of relief from so many things, some problems. Okay? And then, when you club all these things, dance will withstand it. It's a composition of 3 units. That is yoga, meditation, as well as. Will you agree or not? Tell me this. I don't want to continue this concept until and unless if you agree the statement that dance therapy is equal to walking plus aerobics plus yoga. Yes? Really, are you agreeing or just for the sake of happiness, my satisfaction you are telling? Okay? Just, I'll show you the walking techniques. Usually we'll walk like this, or sometimes we will walk like this. Sometimes we will walk like this, left and right. Okay, did you see? Or sometimes we will jog like this. These are all the techniques in walking. Okay? This is there in Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam. How it is? Will you walk? Bharatanatyam? Any other moves you know? Any movements you know? No, very good. Go. She stopped practicing and she got some undergone surgery, so she cannot go. Leave it. I will show. In Kuchipudi or Bharatanatyam, moving like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak tak ding, tak tak chum, tak tak ding, tak tak chum, tak tak ding, tak tak chum. What it is, before entering onto the floor, we are introducing ourselves in such a manner that it shows that a personality or an artist is coming onto the dais in rhythmic movement, that is warm up. Walking is nothing but warm up. Got it? And this is walking. It is there in dance. Then next, aerobics. Okay?
That was erratic.
Right? Aerobics. Aerobics are we are moving faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's Zumba. You know Zumba very well. Okay? So, like that. In that also, come. Like this, Zumba dance. This is all there in aerobics. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Aerobics. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
എന്താണ്
Got it?
യെസ് മാം
And then move on to yoga. This is Vrikshasana, Yogasana, Natarajasana. These are all we will be doing. So many characters. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Okay? Got it now? Then mudras. Arada, Sutadunda, Musti, Sikhara, Tapita. These are all the hand gestures in Bharata's Natya Shastra. Before Christ, 2nd century BC, Natya Shastra was written by sage Bharata. Okay, after that only Patanjali came. Patanjali Yoga Shastra. Okay, everything is involved in Bharata's Natya Shastra. Be the Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi or any classical dances of India will follow Bharata's Natya Shastra. So finally, what is the conclusion? Dance was involved by these three elements. What are those? So you need not separately learn all those things and giving thousands of rupees to the
Bhaja
श्रीकरचिन्तितार्थफलदं श्रीगन्धनाथं भजाम्यहं
She said yes, and you are here, and they are also here. And we have, as she madam has told, there are two giants in their respective fields, and the one who is presenting you the Ekaveshu song is a music teacher in Bhavani Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in Hyderabad for 25 years. She spent there. World famous. So to be appointed in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan itself, therefore she is currently here in Karnataka, and in our Telugu association she speaks Telugu, she is a Telugu native. And therefore, as I have been in the habit of exploiting people whenever there is a talent, and she is also one who has been rendering good service for our Telugu association here also. So that is about shortly. But the major artist today is Surabhi Lakshmi Sharada. Say what?
Surabhi Lakshmi Sharada.
She is currently based in Hyderabad in the Ministry of Information Broadcasting as a department head for taking this, dance format. She had obtained doctorate in classical dance from the earlier British Freedom University of Hyderabad, and now it is called Suravaram Prasad Reddy University, where we had a program also. She is a TV and a radio artist, and conducted major events of national and international levels. Fortunately, she is a recipient for International Natya Kala Ratna Award, and at national level, Ruchi Chudamani, these are the titles she had won. And currently, she is a staff artist in the regional bureau of Ministry of Information, Hyderabad, in the Civil Department. And today I invited her because she did not provide. She said that dance should be a kind of a therapy also. So why you cannot pick up the art of, everybody is a dancer.